caviar.
Don't burn your eggs!
Oh,
Come on.
wait, what? Why is one? Oh, if your caviar isn't natural, it will be gross when it's burned.
Then it will not fish.
Yeah, rotten fish sinks to the floor. That's why is that? Because I thought like if something dies, it fills up with oxygen. No,
I don't know.
like dead bodies, human bodies, float to the top. Not that I know, but like.
But the same thing works with an egg.
Yeah.
Yes, if you put them in a water, which go up, then it's a spoiled eggs.
If it goes up.
Yeah.
Ah, but it was the opposite though with the fish. It was rotten fish.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
goes
yeah,
up.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, interesting.
I mean, the system of checking the.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so these are all different types of cream. UV exposure. Let's see which one had the best result. So face cream has basically no protection from the sun.
Do you know? Yes.
If your thing says SPF on it, that just means so full of crap. Wait, no. So full of. I'm
You confused us more. Whoa. Oh. Natural honey will not burning like so.
Yeah.
Here's the sugar.
Yeah, that's because it's sugar. Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
We got some milk. We got some alcohol. Oh, and we got some. What? Oh, it shows you how it curdles.
Wow. So we need to save this video.
I think we need to save this and test all of these. Yeah.
Okay, so just burn it.
We have rice, real and fake. Watermelon.
So and what?
What? There's fake watermelon?
How come?
Did you know there was fake watermelon?
I didn't. Wait a minute. It was a lie. There is a watermelon.
my whole life a lie?
Yes.
Am I fake? How to tell if you're fake? Just burn. It's like when people thought they were witches and stuff.
Yeah.
They would like light them on fire and they're like, oh, they died. That means they were real. Plastic bottle, glass bottle.
What to do?
What to do? Oh, well, sorry, bro.
Okay, so wait a minute. The good one will influence.
Okay, so good carbonation actually has enough pressure to make the bubble expand. Whoa.
Why?
I don't know why. It was scary. I don't know.
It's inconvenient ways.
Don't play with your sausages like that.
Yes,
please.
Okay, so
we're just cleaning a toilet now.
Yeah.
What? Coal?
So it's gonna be a grill.
Is it? Why?
Wait. Portable grill.
This is
even
messed
more,
up, guys. Come on.
Seriously?
You don't need to do this. No one told you to do this. You just took it upon yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
Why the flashing system still there? I'm just curious.
I don't know. I'm afraid of this whole video. Okay, so we're lighting our fire and we're roasting our wieners on top of the toilet.
Okay. Actually, I have the doubts that it will not crack after the heat.
Yeah, true ceramic.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, some ceramic like pots and stuff don't crack under heat, so
maybe. That.
Have you ever eaten a raw egg?
Yeah, I did. But when I can see it like so,
I know
that's too much. I actually like them in the raw way.
Yeah.
But when you can see the couple of them, that's fine.
That's scary. They look fun. It looks like fun, but also, you know, if you put your hand in that, you're gonna.
Yeah. So what?
I don't know.
It's kind of too much.
It's too much. It's really too much. You don't need that many eggs ever. Okay, what are you doing with that hand action, buddy? Buy me dinner first, all right?
I'm curious what is gonna be by the end of the day. Is it?
It looks like a weird like egg souffle or like an egg cake.
Okay.
And we have a buttload of butter.
Wow, so many butter.
So many butter.
Looks tasty.
Yeast, eggs, okay.
Okay.
I used to eat like when I was on like diets. Sometimes I would just have like butter as a snack, like as a little piece of butter. That shit's good.
My snack was a bread, butter on it, and some sugar on top of it.
Ah, nice.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, that's really good. I used to make that as well. I would toast the bread first, and then I would put the butter, and then you put cinnamon and a brown sugar. And it's like kind of French toasty sort of thing.
Wow.
Fry an egg, put it on top, boom. Amazing.
I didn't do it like so, but it sounds tasty.
Okay, so now we have just a bunch of the yolks.
Okay.
They're all
Wait a
oven
minute.
baked.
Was it? It was baked or was it
Yeah.
frozen?
No, they break them.
They baked. Okay.
Why? Why is she playing with eggs so much?
I don't know.
Why did you have to get that fancy with it?
In the same way, why pizza makers do all this stuff, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
For me, it looks unnecessary.
It is
Just
unnecessary.
for the show.
It is unnecessary.
Right?
They're all show-offs, these pizza makers.
No, looks nice, but I get.
What?
Okay.
So they're wrapping it all up, and would that taste good?
I don't know. But
Does it,
I
like,
feel
melt
hungry,
inside?
to be honest.
I'm really hungry now,
I'm just
yeah.
watching and I want it. So, okay, they're gonna bake it and...
I want it like that though.
No.
No? Crap.
Have you ever tried the raw dough?
I have tried rado, and it tastes actually. If it weren't so bad for you, I'd just eat it. Because I really like it.
I like it as well. I mean,
it's like cookie dough. Cookie dough is better than the actual cookies afterwards. So let's see what this looks like inside. I really want to
really
break it open.
But I have doubts that they will have this kind of.
Yeah, like the
thing.
pouring effect.
Yes,
Yeah.
because they're cooked. They did. Wait a minute.
What?
They didn't show us the middle part.
Show us the middle part now. We're impatient.
Come on. No, really. That shouldn't be like so. Okay.
Okay, they have some cinnamon rolls. Now we're talking.
It's cinnamon.
Now we're talking. Okay, so we cut that open. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think I'm in love with this video.
I don't know because I feel hungry and I don't want to, and I can't taste it.
That's true. That's true. That's true.
That's very bad to watching videos myself.
Just like go like this.
Yeah.
And imagine you're chewing on it. Guys, join us.
Yeah. I think guys behind the scene they eating.
Here's an idea for a reaction video.
Okay.
We react to food and we eat the same food while we react to it.
What the news?
I think it's such a good idea. Don't you guys think so? If this video gets 100 likes.
No. We'll not get any likes after
Yeah,
this.
I think so.
No, we're not gonna do it.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yes. If you guys want it, let us know. Wink, 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 please. Okay, so we have a weird like alcohol thing here. Okay. So
by being
and it has that little tap meter on it.
Nice.
Pretty fancy.
It looks interesting.
It does look good. It does look good.
Wow.
We're rolling it up. We're putting this on the end. What is that?
Okay. It's
Sealing it up.
Oh.
Okay, so they're making the whole thing from scratch. I always wondered, like, ooh, that's cool. Now we're wrapping copper around it?
Yeah, I guess it's gonna be a holder or something.
Okay. I thought it was gonna have like a chemical reaction with the copper.
Or maybe it will be a cooler, some kind of cooler. The copper in this way can cool it down.
Could be.
But
It could be.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
That wasn't a perfect rectangle at all.
Wasn't?
No, it was really bad actually.
What a bad job.
Come on, guys.
Guys, put yourself together.
Please.
Yeah.
Okay, so cutting up this wood. They're really good at handling that wood.
That wasn't the...
They drilled that hole really well.
So what else they did?
I
don't like the wood color. What is this?
Ooh,
Wood?
that was really well penetrated.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, paint.
Okay, it's actually...
It's sexually?
It's... It's not
Okay.
painting. It's
what do you call it? Yeah, varnishing?
yes.
Yeah. See?
I know, not the
We're
varnishing.
calling you
No,
out
no,
on
no.
your terminology.
Yes, it's not even varnishing. It's oilishing. I don't know because it's an oil. It creates the
oilishing. That's not.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, if you know how to call it, let us know in the comments. But
If it's oilishing, then I have to apologize.
So
Okay.
yeah, let us know in the comments because
Beautiful.
it's for sure not painting.
Wow, very nice.
I want it.
I want it as well. It might be hard to take out the bottle though. Is the only thing I'm thinking.
No, it's actually kind of stayed. But
To replace it? Seems like a pain
maybe
in the
you're
ass.
right. You're right. Yeah. How
You
to-
could bend it forward with the copper. That's the only thing I'm thinking. But give us more
more reactions
right now,
please.
please.